Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The hyrax, this animal might resemble rodents, but its closest relatives are actually elephants and manatees. Hyraxes consistently urinate in the same place, and the large amounts of calcium carbonate in their urine turns the cliffs where they live white. A Mediterranean style diet is associated with a decreased risk of developing dementia. Despite being home to a large number of sharks, Antigua and Barbuda have never had a shark attack in recorded history. Mediterranean diet pyramid. The sense upon first meeting a person that the two of you are going to fall in love. Elephants' feet have a thick sponge like padding that absorbs shock. Ice cream testers make use of gold spoons for tasting the product for 100% taste and avoid even the slightest deviation from the aftertaste effects caused due to a regular spoon usage. Monday Again by Christopher Arnold. In order to protect themselves from poachers, African elephants have been evolving without tusks, which unfortunately also hurt their species. Muhammad is the most popular boy's name in Berlin, Germany. During a lifetime, people spend around 6 years dreaming. In the face of adversity, remember that persistence and a positive mindset are your greatest allies. The main purpose for eyebrows is to keep sweat out of your eyes. You travel 2.5 million kilometers a day around the sun without realizing. Humans gradually begin to shrink after the age of 30. Photographer Eric J. Smith captured a whale sneaking up on oblivious whale watchers. New York is the worst city in the United States for dating, study says. Chinese scientists converted lotus leaves into continuous electricity producers. 4 simple rules. Veterinary dentists have used braces and orthodontic appliances to treat dogs with painful and potentially dangerous dental issues like humans. This husband spends 2 years planting thousands of scented flowers for his blind wife to smell and get her out of depression. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. Mahatma Gandhi. Sea silk is incredibly fine and rare fabric made from the silky filaments secreted by the food gland of the Pinna nobilis clam to anchor itself to the ocean floor. This material has been used by Greek, Roman, and Chinese civilization since ancient times. India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri was born. He played a pivotal role during the War of 1965 and gave the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan 1904. During the 2000s, several major tech companies including Google, Apple, Adobe and Intel had a mutual agreement not to hire each other's employees. This so-called no poaching agreement aimed to reduce competition for talent and keep employee wages lower. Homework was considered very controversial in the 1800s and early 1900s. Physicians crusaded against it And in 1901, California even banned homework for anyone under the age of 15. There is a crocodile in Lake Tanganyika in Tanzania named Gustav who has allegedly killed over 300 people over the last several decades. There have been several attempts to kill or capture him, but all have failed. Sean William Scott, best known for his role as Stifler in the American Pie films, has mentioned that unlike his confident on screen character, he was actually quite shy and nervous around women in real life. Ben Franklin left $2,000 each to the cities of Boston and Philadelphia in his will to help young people in those cities, but with one condition: much of the money could not be drawn for 100 years and the rest could not be distributed for 200 years. The Brooklyn Bridge was inaugurated in 1883 and was considered an engineering marvel at the time. However, rumors of its weakness caused a public panic that led to the deaths of about 12 people. The beginnings of the spice trade. Did you know that Arabs acted as middlemen in the spice trade around the world between the West and Asia? Arabs pioneered the spice trade routes, effectively connecting the East and West. Spices like cinnamon, pepper, and cloves were indeed highly valued in Europe during various historical periods. They sought to obtain spices and other valuable commodities directly from their sources to secure better prices. During this period, explorers such as Vasco da Gama sought direct routes to the spice-rich lands of Asia. Christopher Columbus' voyages were aimed at finding a new sea route to Asia, primarily to access the valuable spice trade. The value of spices served as a catalyst for exploration, trade, and cultural interaction, leaving a lasting impact on the world. Thanks for watching.